All right, I'm back. It's 5:42 p.m. on the 20th of June, 2019, and I did just hear a little bit of thunder. And if I zoom in a little closer to the distance, right there, between the trees, if you notice, there's a little bit of duller gray beneath that darker cloud base. I believe that's the leading edge. That's the area that would have the strongest winds associated with those stronger downdrafts. So it's getting closer. I'm starting to see more of a texture of some towering cumulus clouds kind of on the leading edge. But pay attention to that area right there. You notice how it's, billowing clouds, towering cumulus, and then if you look here, you see that leading edge there, that defined lower cloud base. And beneath that is where the heaviest rain and the strongest winds are. You can actually see it moving slightly to the left as I'm recording. You kind of see some scud, some fragmented little cloud lines beneath it moving towards the south. I feel a little bit of a breeze, no change in direction. This is the line right here. That's what you got to watch right there. You see the overall cloud structure. I'm going to go horizontal now again. You see how it's very layered, but now we're starting to see some very interesting cloud structures taking place as the main line approaches. Let me show you the radar right now. Let me zoom back out. The radar right now shows where that line of storms is. As it gets closer, you can see the yellows and a few embedded oranges and reds that indicates the highest reflectivity, the heaviest precipitation. So it's getting really close to where I'm located right now. And if I go back out here and do a horizontal shot video recording, you can see what's happening here. This is the area again to watch right there. It's moving very quickly, this line of storms. That's the area though that we really want to keep an eye on for the strongest wind gusts and the heaviest rain. Looking up above that area, you kind of see how dark the clouds are. I'll kind of zoom out again a little bit. Very chaotic looking sky. I'll go ahead and head out here too to the actual overhead right now. So to the east, it looks more like some layered clouds mixed in with some cumulus over there. Some more cumuliform, darker looking clouds to the south. But again, watch what happens right at the base of this. That lighter color beneath that well-defined base of the cloud is where the heaviest rain's occurring and the strongest winds most likely are going to occur as it approaches. If you look over to the northwest, you got some interesting structure to the clouds, very, very tall clouds over to the northwest as well. You kind of see how the sky's been changing. If you look at this, let's zoom out a little bit. Yeah, very layer-like structure. I'll be back in a moment as this unfolds and we'll watch the progression together.